Hey everyone! Today we're taking a look at one of the newest electric scooter models from GoTrax. The XR Elite comes with a slightly improved battery life, stability, and side reflectors to keep you safe at night. We'll compare the XR Elite with other models from the GoTrax lineup, including the XR Ultra and the GXL V2. Keep in mind that we are not sponsored by GoTrax, but they did send us these scooters to review. We also have a coupon code to save you some money on your purchase, which also supports the channel so we can make more videos. Alright, first up, let's see what comes inside the box when you order your XR Elite scooter. It comes nearly fully assembled, with the handlebars detached, as well as the charger, the instruction manual, and some simple tools. Assembly is super easy. All you need to do is remove the red folding clip, plug in the connections, insert the handlebar, and tighten everything up. You'll also need to hook up the brake line, charge up, and you're ready to ride. Taking a look at the build, one of the biggest differences with the XR Elite is that the battery is now built into the bottom deck of the scooter instead of the stem. This makes the scooter feel more balanced compared to the Ultra and the GXL V2, which did feel a little more front-heavy with the battery in the stem. This also makes the deck slightly thicker and wider than previous models. The Elite is also slightly heavier, now at 32 pounds instead of 26 pounds. Speaking of the battery, with the XR Elite, you'll now get a slightly better range, now giving you 18 miles on a single charge, while the XR Ultra will get you 16 miles, and the GXL V2 at 12 miles of range. We did a range test on the XR Elite, riding with a 160-pound rider through city streets, going full speed the whole time with plenty of stops and goes, and even a few hills. We were able to get the full 18 miles and still had a little bit of battery left at the end. Keep in mind that the range will always fluctuate based on the rider weight and the type of terrain you're riding on. GoTrax also did away with multiple speed modes on the Elite. With the Ultra and V2, you had the ability to change between two speed modes, with Mode 2 giving you a max speed of 15 miles per hour. On the Elite, you aren't given the option to change speed modes, but still have a max speed of 15 miles per hour. We actually really like this. On previous models, it felt a little hard to change the mode using the single button, and would always default to Mode 1 when turning it back on. Another update we're happy to see that GoTrax made was hiding the brake line within the stem. On the Ultra and GXL V2, the brake line ran down the outside of the stem, which made carrying the scooter a little uncomfortable. The XR Elite also sports some new reflectors on the sides, back and front of the scooter, as well as an improved LED headlight and the new addition of an LED taillight, giving you a much safer ride at night. The Elite still has the same dual lock mechanism for folding the scooter as the previous Ultra model. This additional security latch on the side was not included in the original V2 model, which didn't actually bother us. Although the dual lock is safe and sturdy, it is not the easiest folding mechanism, and sometimes the stem of the scooter can fall into your head if you're not careful. For the price, the Elite comes in at $399. We think for a little extra money, it's definitely worth getting the XR Elite over the Ultra. The older V2 is also down to $248. But if you use the coupon code TECHWEWANT50, you can get $50 off your order. Keep in mind that these scooter models do not include suspension, which may be a deal breaker for some people. But for the price, we think this is a great deal on an electric scooter that is perfect for commuting and getting around town. Alright, that's it for now. For more videos on plenty of other scooters at different price points and capabilities, be sure to subscribe and check out some of our other videos.